Iran versus Israel. Who is dominating whom? In military technology, air power, and intelligence, Israel appears stronger. But in missile numbers, manpower, and the ability to sustain a long war, Iran remains a major force. The entire conflict mainly depends on four key factors. 1. Air power. Israel has the edge. Israel possesses one of the world's most advanced air forces, F-35 stealth fighter jets. Precision strike capability. Strong intelligence network. Advanced cyber warfare systems. During the 2025-26 direct confrontations, Israel reportedly carried out deep strikes on Iranian military targets, air defense systems, and nuclear-linked facilities. So in terms of accuracy, right-pointing arrow Israel. Technology, right-pointing arrow Israel. Intelligence, right-pointing arrow Israel. Israel clearly holds the advantage. 2. Missile arsenal and numbers. Iran's strength. Iran has a massive missile inventory, large-scale drone production, powerful proxy groups like Hezbollah and Houthis, much larger manpower. Iran's active military personnel are significantly higher than Israel's. However, the main issue is quantity is high. Precision and consistency are lower compared to Israel. In recent conflicts, Iran launched hundreds of missiles, but many were intercepted by Israeli and American defense systems. 3. Defense systems. Israel's biggest shield. Israel's defense network includes Iron Dome, David's Sling, Arrow missile systems. These systems are among the best in the world. However, recent battles also showed that the United States played a major role by supporting Israel with THAAD and SM-3 missile defense systems. That means Israel is not fighting completely alone. U.S. support is a massive factor. Without American assistance, pressure on Israel could increase significantly. 4. Long war scenario. Iran's strategy. In a short, high-tech war, checkmark Israel looks more dominant. In a prolonged regional conflict, checkmark Iran becomes extremely dangerous. Iran doesn't rely only on direct missile attacks. It also creates pressure through regional allies and proxy groups. Lebanon front, Yemen Houthis, Iraqi militias, Strait of Hormuz tensions. Iran's strategy is basically greater than exhaust the enemy over time. What does the current situation suggest? On the tactical level, right arrow Israel appears stronger because of precision strikes, better air superiority, superior intelligence capabilities. On the strategic level, right arrow Iran remains highly dangerous because of huge missile stockpiles, regional proxy networks, geographic depth, population advantage. The biggest difference, U.S. support. Many experts see the equation like this: greater than Israel alone versus Iran equals very difficult fight. Israel plus United States versus Iran equals strong advantage for Israel. Recent reports also suggest that U.S. missile defense support has been critical. Simple comparison: area stronger side, Air Force Israel, technology Israel, cyber and intelligence Israel, missile quantity Iran, manpower Iran, proxy network Iran, economic sustainability Israel plus U.S. advantage. Long attrition war Iran can be dangerous. Precision warfare Israel dominates. Final one-line conclusion: if the conflict is about high-tech precision warfare and surgical strikes, Israel has the upper hand. But if it turns into a long, exhausting regional war, Iran is far from weak. The real game changer is American support.